My Christmas/New Year's gift to myself was a new laptop, the Dell Inspiron 7577 gaming laptop. Honestly, I've never been a fan of Dell laptops, but now that I live in Japan, my research led me in the direction of this laptop and I eventually made the plunge. A 20% off holiday sale also didn't hurt, and after more than a month of usage, I will say that I am happy with the purchase. The Dell Inspiron 7577 comes in so many configurations. I think it's best that I first share the specs of my model. It's a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen, Intel i7 3.8 GHz processor. The operating system is Windows 10, 8 GB of DDR4 memory, which I plan to upgrade to 16 GB soon, a 128 GB SSD along with a 1 TB secondary drive. For graphics, it's the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory, which is a last gen graphics card but more than enough for my needs. And then all the other stuff, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, an SD card reader, USB 3, mini HDMI, etc. I could have gotten a better graphics card, but I decided to save a little as I don't run many graphics intensive games, and the GeForce GTX 1050 Ti was more than enough for my needs after reading benchmarks of it running various AAA games. Overall, I paid 100,000 plus yen, or I think about $1,125, including taxes and shipping to my very rural island. The laptop itself was under $1,000. This laptop is easily the most powerful laptop I've ever owned, and the trade-off being that it is huge and heavy, weighing in at 2.65 kilograms. For comparison's sake, my old laptop / Ultrabook was a 13-inch Sony Vaio T-Series that weighed 1.7 kilograms. That Vaio is one of the best pieces of technology I have ever bought, but sadly, the Vaio line is no longer with Sony and I'm just not a fan of the current models. So I went from having a Ultrabook primarily for university to a gaming laptop that will be my primary personal computer, as I no longer have a desktop here in Japan. I had absolutely no issues so far. I use my laptop now for light gaming, video editing for YouTube, audio editing, which I have to do sometimes at work, blogging definitely, streaming Netflix and stuff like that, and coding. I recently started to learn Python again. I've been playing XCOM, Age of Wonders 3 and Civilization 6 all maxed out with no issues. But again, I am not one to play graphically intensive games on PC, as I play mostly older games, RPGs, strategy games, stuff like that on PC. The build quality of the Dell Inspiron 7577 is really good. The laptop feels strong and sturdy, but again a little hard to lug around. I really love the backlit keyboard though, and the HD screen is also quite gorgeous, gorgeous IPS screen, but the mouse pad for me is a little finicky. Maybe I just need to get used to it over time. So there you have it, my thoughts on the Dell Inspiron 7577 gaming laptop. If this video was useful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment with your questions about the laptop. It goes without saying that this video has not been sponsored in any way, so these are my own thoughts from a consumer who spent his own hard-earned cash to buy this laptop. So go ahead, ask any questions you may have in the comments below, on Twitter at Jamaipanese. So yeah, I will do my best to answer them all. Thank you for watching.